First, tissue paper folding machine. Second, log saw tissue paper cutting. Maximum 200 cuts each minute. Speed adjustable. Third, single-piece tissue packing. Fourth, transmission belts. Fifth, multi-pieces tissue packing, 2-head outlet. Sixth, putting bag on manually and pushing on the confirm button to let machine to load and seal the bags automatically. Seventh, now let's check the final perfect sealing quality. By the way, please subscribe our channel for more. We can customize the machine based on your detailed requirements. Finally, thanks for watching. Welcome back soon.